how to add text on a video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open any one of the video editing app. Here I'm using CapCut. Click on New Project and select the video on which you want to include the text. Click on Text option, go to Add Text, and now you can simply enter your text which you want to include on your video. You can also add stickers to it. Click on the tick option beside it. Now to edit it, simply go to Text, go to Style, and you can simply choose the option of font from here. Now to change its color, go to Styles, change its color. You can also change its size. Go to Stroke and you can provide two color combination. In background, you can also provide a background to this text. Now move the cursor up to which you want the text and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.